Today I wanted to share my recipe for pumpkin pie. So I like to use a stand mixer or a hand mixer, but you don't necessarily need it for this recipe. We're going to start off by preheating our oven to 425 degrees, and we're going to beat 2 room temperature eggs. It really makes a difference using room temperature eggs, and all you need to do is just take the eggs out of the fridge 15 to 20 minutes before you're going to use it in a recipe. And we'll let those eggs beat up nicely, combine well. And we're going to add 1 large can of pumpkin. You can use pure pumpkin or pumpkin puree. You can use 1 large can or 2 smaller cans. And then we're going to add 3/4 of a cup of packed brown sugar. Going to add 1 can of sweetened condensed milk. I love how sweetened condensed milk ribbons as you're pouring it out. One teaspoon of cinnamon. Half a teaspoon of ginger. Half a teaspoon of nutmeg. 1/4 teaspoon of salt. And I didn't have any, but you can also add 1 teaspoon of vanilla or half a teaspoon of almond extract. That works really well in this recipe. So now I like to turn the stand mixer on high. I like to scrape down the sides, turn the stand mixer on high for about 2 to 5 minutes, just to give it a nice airy consistency. I just like it when it's airy and fluffy, that kind of texture. And then I just use a store-bought pie plate or pie crust. Add that into the pie crust. So this recipe makes 2 pies or 1 pie and 12 tarts. Smooth that out on the top. Sorry. Put that in the oven, 425 degrees for 15 minutes. And then reduce the heat to 350 degrees and bake for 45 minutes. Then I like to turn off the heat and keep the pie in the oven for about an hour. And then you can test the center of the pie with a toothpick. Once it comes out clean, you got amazing pumpkin pie. Thank you so much. I hope you like this recipe.